Hi guys, welcome to Woodlands Fold. This is plot 10, an eco-friendly house for all the family. So plot 10 is on an elevated plot. It's got a wonderful kitchen. And what about these views to the back? So we've got a German fitted kitchen, 5-ring induction hob, slide away oven, which is really cool. And this whole space has been created with the family in mind. We've got great views from the corner window behind. We've also got home automation, and the eco feature up there is a heat recovery system.